everyone, this is Tuchodor. Welcome to my new video of the new year. Today we are gonna do my January 2023 journal spread. Okay, it sounds a bit strange, 2023. You are like me that I'm always writing the dates wrong and sometimes forgetting which day we are because I'm not doing any paperwork or signing anything with the date, so that's why probably. I think I'm not the only one. Anyway, with the new year, I'm starting a new journal. And here it is. I just bought it in London, but I think it's quite easy to find anywhere in the world. It's a simple 130 gram dotted journal. So I think I'm gonna enjoy this. My first dotted journal is gonna make my life way easier. I didn't go for an exact specific theme for this month. I'm just gonna do something mixed with journal and the mood board. I'm gonna combine these both ideas, gonna send some lovely messages to myself and wrote some notes to future Tuche and use some inspiring piece of papers. Yeah, those papers actually inspire me and I choose the color palettes carefully so they're gonna look nice and aesthetic together. I'm starting by gluing an envelope on my first page. That's gonna be my wishes box. Actually, I'm gonna put some wishes, things that I wish to complete next year, the thing that I wish for myself, for my family, for my loved ones, or the thing that I hope for myself. It's not like must do, to do, or like you in the end of the year you are gonna be there, blah blah. It's more like I hope you are gonna pass a nice year. I'm gonna more like sending positive vibes and positive messages to myself without any pressure, because pressure make me feel, I don't know, some people, you know, when there's pressure, some people can find it motivating. For me, it doesn't work this way. When there's pressure, I mostly don't want to do anything, even I feel like doing it, even I want to do it. It has this negative effect on me, so I don't want to put any pressure on me about how to pass my next year. I just hope that it's gonna be peaceful, creative, calm, loved and loving, blah blah blah. You got the point. And the rest of the journal I'm gonna design with those papers that I found around the house. It's like one piece of baking paper, one tissue, some kind of like transparent paper, whatever I found around here. Is like, as long as the colors looks nice together, you can use any kind of paper. And I'm gonna use those stamps that I got from Japan. I don't know if you can find it everywhere, but they are super good, but I don't use them on my videos so often as it's not super reachable for everyone. But yeah, come on, it's the first month of the year, so I have to go a bit fancy, so I'm using my that's my understanding of fancy. Yeah, I'm using those stamps to put my title on this very cute paper I found on my drawer that I don't know where or when I bought it and why, but it looks quite nice and it matched with my color theme today, so here it is. Here I come to end of the design of this page. I found it quite cute. I used these dried leaves and the flowers that I probably dried 2 years ago, and they look nice together. And I think this page is gonna be inspiring, and I put my wishes envelope. I'm gonna open it end of next year to see how I did, how I guessed, if I guessed something, and if I really completed the wishes that I had for myself. So let's jump onto the next page. Here I'm gonna put a calendar of the month on the left side and some sections to use during the month. Plan my day, plan my work, plan whatever I need to plan. I'm starting with the title and using my stems. Here I come to the end of this page also. I quite like it. It's simple and useful. Okay, let's jump on to the next page. Here I'm gonna do my habit tracker, creative ideas, some like targets. This section is like the targets I put for the month, but the simple things like go to have a hike, do yoga, met with friends, cook for loved ones, or whatever, like simple things that makes me feel good, and I can do anytime I have a like spare time here or there, and it makes me feel good. Like when I complete one or two of them, I go and put a tick on it, and the satisfaction is priceless. And on the other side there will be booster section. That's the first time I'm gonna use such a section. It's more like I'm gonna put some compliments to myself, or the things that my loved ones say to me, or nice things that I did for other people or they did to me, or just like lovely messages or whatever make me feel boosted, you know, feel better. So it's gonna be more like positive messages from myself to myself, or from other people also time to time. And beside it, it's gonna be creative ideas. Those, like, the section is quite useful to me. I can put any creative ideas about anything. Can be YouTube, can be my work, can be just for fun, any illustration or whatever I have in mind. It's always good to note them down, because even I thought that I'm gonna remember, I always end up forgetting the good ideas, that at least that I assume they are good ideas, but then I forgot about them. So this section is kind of saver for me. I can even go back on my old journals and check what creative ideas I had before to use in the future projects maybe. here I come to end of my January 2023 bullet journal spread. I hope you had a perfect one in 2022 and gonna have even better one on 2023. I hope you liked the video and find it inspiring, and I see you guys very soon on the next video. Ciao!